The back rank mate is a specific type of checkmate where the king becomes completely trapped on its back rank by its own pawns, with absolutely no available escape squares. Its power stems from effectively utilizing open files and exploiting the king's restricted mobility to decisively conclude the game with either a rook or a queen. Let's imagine a typical position. The black king is on g8, with pawns on f7, g7 and h7, effectively blocking any potential escape route. A white rook is placed on the open d-file and delivers check. The king cannot capture because it's too far from the attacking piece. It cannot move because its own pawns restrict its escape, and no other piece can interpose. It is checkmate, a clean and decisive ending. Here's another example. The opposing king is positioned on h8, with pawns located on g7 and h7, and their rook on g8 is guarding that entire rank. The white queen then proceeds to capture on g7, delivering a check. The black rook immediately captures in response, and at that precise moment the white rook swiftly slides across to a8. The king finds himself completely trapped and checkmated on the back rank. The coordinated efforts of the rook and queen make any attempt to escape utterly impossible. This checkmate clearly demonstrates how a critical lack of space can ultimately lead to a player's downfall. Always observe the pawns that restrict the king and look to open files or sacrifice pieces for the rook or queen to enter. Recognizing these patterns will let you deliver the final blow with precision in seconds. BlackChess Academy, the best training from